Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Higgsfield AI is a browser-based generative video platform that lets creators turn prompts or images into short cinematic clips with camera motion, effects, and style presets. And it feels like a mini film studio running inside your browser. To get started, you sign up on their website using email or login option, then you reach a dashboard where everything is laid out like tiles for images, videos, edits, and character tools. For example, image generation creates AI images from prompts, while video tools turn those into moving scenes with preset cinematic styles. There's also face swap for swapping identities across images, plus camera controls and trending effect packs if you want more stylized outputs. Everything runs on a credit system, where each generation uses credits depending on your plan, with tiers like Basic, Pro, and Creator with higher limits. You can track credits in your profile, manage boards, and adjust settings anytime. If you want updates or community tips, their Discord is linked in the top area. It is a simple but powerful tool once you get used to it, and mostly about experimenting until you get the cinematic style you want. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.